Anything twins about these bikes.
No, they're
totally different.
They're very different. They're both cool.
Oh no, the sun's coming out.
The sun's coming out.
And today I got up with the chickens. I got up before the chickens. I got up before the ducks. I wanted to get out on the open road and get some riding today. Oh my God, do I want to get some riding in. It's cooled off just a little bit from the really brutal summer we've had. It's starting to look like today is going to be a very special day. But as you can always expect, everything around here has been unpredictable this whole summer. So we'll just see where it goes. I got the radar detector mounted, and we're going to start up at the RPM, about 1,000 RPM every 1,000, maybe 1,000 every 100 miles, until we get to the 1,000 mile, and then we're going to have we're going for a track day somewhere. I don't know where yet. Anyway, it should be a lot of fun. Can't wait for it to happen. We got Don's camera on the front. We're going to try to use his real GoPro and my fake camera chest mounted and see if we can get some nice footage today to use.
And today's harvest is going to include some red and some yellow peppers. Holy moly, as well as some new flowers. Early in the morning like this, you hear the birds singing. Look at the blue skies. Oh boy. I think we're in for a wonderful riding day. Okay, so we start the day off here very conveniently. 605 miles to start the day, and we finally got our oh, what a beautiful day this turned out to be. Just a spectacular day. Hope some of that footage in Don's camera is going to come out. That stuff is in 4K.
cruising along here, and guess what is around the corner? And this is why I love my Valentine radar detector. And they are always shooting radar up in this area, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Just couldn't be a nicer day. Now old puffy clouds coming out late in the ride. Beautiful day. Aren't even blooming yet. What the heck's going on here? I know this is hard to believe, but as I'm shooting this video, just before I hit the button, a bear ran across the street and I didn't get it on video. Oh my God. A bear encounter. So we're going to make some test footage with Don's little GoPro. Now this is the real, this is not my camera, this is Don's GoPro. We're going to try, try to at least run out the battery and then give him the footage and see what he can make with it. Now part of the ride today, we stopped up at the Picatiney Arsenal. This is a great place to take a little break. They got tanks and everything out on display. A good place to take a 5-minute break. We already got, I think, 50 some miles on the bike today. Boy, the sky is blue and it is really turning out to be a beautiful day. Now Don's camera, the battery already went dead. I think we got about an hour of footage, but he's going to have to take that back to his computer and work on it. I'm going to exchange it for my camera now just to get some footage to put on this video. nice place to take a break, right by the Picatiney Arsenal. And good old, the old staple of our ride, Lake Denmark Road. So Turbo Steve stopped by with his new bike. It's new bike day. Or is it old man and new bike day?
We'll do this every week.
Yeah, yeah. I'm ready to retire.
Anything twins about these bikes.
No, they're
Totally different.
they're very different. They're both cool. You didn't get a plate yet either, or is that a real plate? How come I got a garbage plate? I got garbage on this.
They said that's good for 90 days, but
The-
don't hold your breath.
With the way the crowd is. I got an ink marker for a license plate. He at least has real printing, or he probably photoshopped that. Yeah, they look good together. Two peas in a pod.
Horsepower.
How much does that bike weigh?
I haven't weighed it.
Ah, what do they claim? You got paperwork. Didn't they give you a thing with it?
Oh, I don't know.
It can't be a lot heavier than the MT-09.
And how many horsepower does yours have?
118.
118. I got
But it's not a
48.
race bike. You got a retro
What,
bike.
You don't think that's stress from all the people, the crazy people who are showing up there?
Well, let's face it, you were there.
We were
And Pete.
and
Jose.
But we weren't complaining. Oh, Jose, he was complaining, but
See, if this was my bike, the W would fit right in, but yours, it should be Steve or S or something there. W. Is that, they call that a Kawasaki W? Is that what that's there for?
800 CAF.
Oh my God.
CAF.
CAF.
And they left off racer to save you on insurance.
Turn the headlight on. How does that go on? Is there two bulbs in there? It looks like the one on the Motor Guzzi that Pokey
You
had.
got to start it up to see the headlight. Okay, good.
Oh wow, that's a bright headlight. And that's on all the time when it's running, right? Wow. From sitting on the bike, it has the look of a Triumph, the white instrument kind of thing. It is, it's nice. I love being able to get at the oil filter. You don't have to take any body work off. Oh, fantastic.
If I find gloves, I'll get you a box.
Yeah, I'm out of gloves. I'm using up my wife's purple gloves until Harbor Freight gets some inventory. All right, have a safe ride back. Nice. Sounds nice. Yeah. Say hello to the guys at the market. Sounds nice. So we had a wonderful ride today, and thank you to the healthcare workers, and hey, congratulations to Turbo Steve on his new bike. Look at this sky. There was a couple of clouds in the middle of the day, but boy, they all went away. And thank you so much to the healthcare workers. We appreciate all your efforts. And hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.